Hi friends, welcome to ECI EHS Professional YouTube channel. Friends, in this video we are going to talk about this and that. Now this and that are used to talk about nouns that are close to us or far from us. Okay, let's look on slides. This and that at the starting of the video we already discussed. This and that used to talk about nouns which is close to us or far from us. So what you say, from girl to pen, very close, near. So we call this is a pen and that is a pen because girl to pen far away. So we call that is a pen. For near, this is a pen and that is a pen. Okay, now we are going to make some questions for your better understanding. This is a pen and that is a pen. But you have to use for the questions be verb first. So what you say, is this a pen? Is this a pen? So answer is yes, it is. Is this a pen? No, it isn't. For far away, is that a pen? Is that a pen? Yes, it is.